All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. So guys, a lot has been going on in the currency markets that constantly is giving us a little bit of a whiplash here. You know, one day the dollar is up, the next day gold and silver are up, the next day the euro is down. How can we have solace in gold and silver relative to other currencies? How do we know gold and silver are the best bet against the dollar if it keeps on spiking up? Well, with all of this talk about the DXY correcting after its plunge, let's see how well it's doing compared with metals and the euro. But first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit the like button. Helps to get this economic evangelism right on out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. Okay, so let's look at the DXY first. Year to date, we have a couple of indicators here to guide us. We have the 50-day moving average, RSI, and RVI. Now, the moving average is the main bit I want to focus on in the red. Now, the DXY was recently in oversold territory for some time. It eventually popped out of it and is trying to converge with the 50-day moving average, which has been trending downward for some time now. The moving average is in the 93s, and many analysts say that its resistance is currently at 93.50. Now, given the way this metric has been performing for some time now, I really don't see it trending way above 94 for any considerable amount of time before retreating back down. Now, all right, let's take a look at the euro. Let's see here. Okay, so year to date, it basically looks like the opposite of the DXY. Now, it's been in overbought territory, and it's now slowing down a bit, looking to converge with its 50-day moving average. That has, pretty much consistently been trending upward. It looks like it's above 1.17 as far as its moving average is concerned, which is impressive. Just given the fact that we've been pretty much been oscillating between it almost is like 1.16 to 1.19, and now it just seems like the 50-day moving average is above 1.17. We were at 1.20 recently, and then the euro came back down, but now it's rebounding again. So I'm glad to see it above 1.17. It gives me some solace to know that it's gaining against the dollar. So let's take a look at gold and silver now. So first we'll take a look at gold. Now here's the 50-day moving average for gold year to date. It's trending up even during this period of consolidation. Let's take a look at silver as well. Silver is doing the same thing. Between pretty much all four of these that we took a look at, the DXY looks like the weakest link. And at this point, I would honestly be shocked if we, just saw the DXY do an about face and trend all the way back up to 99 or 100. Now, I don't even know if it would get that high if we had another, let's say, March 2020 happen in the markets. And, that's when the dollar really started to gain steam, only by a little bit, to be honest, but it gained steam. I don't even think it'll get that high if we had another one of those happen. But guys, let me know what you think about all of this in the DXY. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new. It's Black Bullion.